Welcome back to High Protein Recipes, where I share easy-to-make recipes that are packed with protein pero sa lasa hindi mabibitin. In this video, sasagutin ko yung most frequently asked questions sa comments from the chicken siomai recipe that I posted the other day, and may pa-sauce recipe din tayo. Simulan natin sa rice na gamit ko sa video. This is shirataki dry rice from Wonder Health, and I have been a user since last year. I love how easy it is to prepare kasi pour ka lang ng dry rice sa bowl, add an equal amount of hot water, mix ng konti, cover and soak for 10 minutes. Tapos, ayan, meron ka ng instant rice na super soft and fluffy and tastes just like real rice. Sobrang convenient, kaya gamit ko to sa mga times na tinatamad ako magsaing. 28 calories yung 25 grams na serving ng cooked rice, so nasa 112 calories lang per 100 grams. Yung specific variant na gamit ko sa video was their protein rice, which contains protein powder and 5.6 grams of protein per 100 grams serving. Same na masarap din naman and no weird protein powder taste. Next question, bukod sa siomai wrapper, ano nga ba nangyari doon sa trimmings ng pechay or cabbage, however you wanna call it, kasi ang dami din nagde-debate about this sa comment section. So basically, di ba blanch naman na yung buong pechay and yung ibang filling ay wrapped in the smaller parts ng pechay leaves and yung mga leaves na may butas na. Roll lang and tuck the sides in para sure na walang lalabas na filling. May nag-comment din na paano kung walang cutter para sa siomai wrapper. So eto na lang yung gawin nyo, mas madali and mas marami ka pang makakain na veg. For storing naman, na-try ko na siya sa chiller pero parang pwede rin naman sa freezer basta iso na lang ng konti before cooking. Yung mga sobrang tira-tira na talaga, syempre sayang naman. Sinutay ko lang sa salt, pepper, and sesame oil, tapos side dish na namin siya for the next day. Pwedeng i-steam na lang din yung cabbage rolls, yung steamer hack na sa first video, and chili garlic oil recipe posting soon. Alternatively, you could also try cooking it in a different way. Minsan gusto ko yung medyo may charred sides, so I sear them with a bit of oil for about 3 minutes. Add water and cover to continue cooking for 7 more minutes on low heat, and pag wala ng water, flip and sear the other side for 3 minutes. Nagawa ko na tong recipe na to last year, except pork yung gamit ko na protein nun. And this time, I'm pairing it with some peanut sauce. Tansya-tansya lang, guys. It's just peanut butter, sesame oil, cocoa aminos or soy sauce, or homemade chili garlic oil na nanigas sa fridge, then hot water. Kung soy sauce gamit mo, add lang ng konting sugar, tapos taste and adjust. Another way of cooking, I call this the ultimate tamad hack. If you don't want any wrapping involved, gawin mo na lang patty or meatballs yung filling, bawi ka na lang sa carbs and kahit anong veggies na available sa'yo.